The 2024 Nissan Z Nismo enhances the classic sports car experience, targeting those who seek dynamic performance with track-ready enhancements. The Nismo grade builds upon the Z Sport and Performance grades with significant upgrades, delivering 420 horsepower. To ensure more efficient handling, the Z Nismo also boasts superior brakes, a revised suspension, a sturdier body, and more aggressive tires. The exterior is designed for superior aerodynamic performance. The front of the car features a grand nose or G-nose, recalling a similar design on the heritage Nissan Fairlady 240 ZG. The car also comes with a restyled grille with thin honeycomb mesh, aiding cooling and reducing drag. The rear features a taller, wider spoiler, while reshaped bumper corners inspired by the GT-R NISMO reduce drag. The vehicle's bodywork comes in 5 colors, including NISMO-exclusive Stealth Grey. Inside, the 2024 Nissan Z Nismo features numerous enhancements to the existing Z Performance grade. Key highlights include red anodized engine start and drive mode buttons, manual adjust Recaro seats, and a leather and Alcantara-wrapped steering wheel. Attention to detail extends to the digital TFT meter display, which features a red outline around the tachometer, a Nismo logo, and a special red flash during the startup animation. The power outputs of the Z Nismo's twin-turbo engine are increased to 420 horsepower and 384 pound-feet of torque. Improvements in cooling, revised electronic wastegate control for increased turbocharger boost and turbine speed, and an independent ignition spark timing strategy borrowed from GT-R NISMO all contribute to the enhancement. The vehicle also features an enhanced engine oil cooler to aid extended track performance. The Z Nismo uses an enhanced 9-speed automatic transmission, designed specifically for faster and more dynamic shifting performance. The new Sport Plus Drive mode ensures more dynamic racetrack-tuned shift program for circuit driving. Thanks to the revised engine management software, the Z Nismo's transmission's downshift time is almost halved compared to Z Performance. The Nissan Z Nismo's suspension and tires have been specially engineered for precision, predictability, and grip. The car is fitted with unique stabilizer bars, a stiffer spring rate, and retuned dampers. It also features Dunlop SP Sport Max GT 600 tires, offering improved road feel and traction. The wheels are lightweight, Nismo-specific, gloss black raised 19-inch wheels, which despite being wider, are slightly lighter due to their advanced construction. The Z Nismo has an enhanced braking system with larger front brakes, matched to rear brake rotors, and a more performance-focused brake pad compound. This enhances the Z's impressive brake pedal feel and improves braking performance in extended track use scenarios. The car also features a stiffer chassis with comprehensive bracing and stiffening measures for better tracking and response to increased cornering forces. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.